This guy over here is a red-shouldered hawk. Red-shouldered hawk scientific name is Buteo lineatus. These red-shouldered hawks, nesting hawks, can lift their tail and project facial meter up to 2 feet. This keeps their nest as nice and clean. Red-shouldered hawks are forest dwellers and require mature forests with open sub-canopies for easy flying. For ease of flying, and they also will reside in residential areas with mature trees. Their diet consists of small mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. They prefer to hunt from tall perches. Red-shouldered hawks build their nest in trees and lay 2 to 5 eggs.